Using this color correction filter as an example, we've covered most of the important basics for working with filters. And if we look around in the folders here, we can see that there is a large array of filters available for us to work within Edius with. And to go into further detail in the filters, we will only be doing that in a further expanded course. Especially with certain filters, we would need to describe it in such detail that it would need a large amount of time to cover it, and would be too extensive for our basic course. Despite this, I would like to show an example that uses the knowledge we've learnt, and this example will be with a different filter. So I'll go to this clip which doesn't have any filters applied to it, and I'll look for a different filter. I'll choose a relatively simple one, and that would be this mosaic filter. And to activate it, I'll simply drag and drop it onto the clip. Now, the info palette appears for this clip, and with the Open Setup dialog, I can adjust the settings. And of course, these settings will look a little bit different for each filter. Here, for the mosaic filter, I can specify the block size, so that would be the size of the blocks that create the mosaic, and then there's a setting for the pattern. And here we can see that there is a large variety of patterns available to me, and if I choose one, the results are shown straight away. So this allows you to straight away see what your clip will look like with the settings. So it's the same as previously. The filter can be dropped on the clip with drag and drop, and then via the settings, we can adjust the filter's parameters. In Edius, we also have a subfolder called Prodad that we only have if you have installed it from the bonus disk that is supplied with Edius 6. If you do this, then you get the additional Prodad plugins Mercalli and Vitascene. We will discuss both of these effects in a bonus chapter, but as mentioned, you will only see these effects if you have installed the bonus disk that is supplied with Edius 6. Further to this, there is also a folder called After Effects plugins. So, with Edius 6, you can, in a limited way, specify After Effects plugins. This is also a theme that we will cover further in an expansion course.